Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, and good night wherever you are in the world. In this video, we're going to be basically touching on the Facebook Ads Manager. So in this series, we're going to be touching on everything that is involved with an Ads Manager, the structure of Ads Manager, or the tools that you might use on a day-to-day basis, running through each individual aspect within the program itself, and covering recent updates as they get released. But this series is going to start with a lot of the beginner stuff. So if you are familiar with Ads Manager and have used it before and understand the basic structure of it, then I would recommend just skipping ahead into later parts of the series and joining on then. Um, but if you are fresh and don't understand exactly what's going on in Ads Manager, or you are fresh into it and you've never opened up Ads Manager in your life before, then you should probably start in the beginning with this video. So, Ads Manager itself is a product of Meta, of course, and these ads that we create basically assist in delivering our targeted messages and targeted creatives. When I mention creatives, I'm referring to any images, videos, headlines, and text assets that we might want to deliver in front of an audience that is specified by us. So, what that means is that when scrolling through any of Meta's products, that being Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, um, Messenger, and you are seeing the sponsored um, tagline above each of the posts, this is referring to a targeted ad by an advertiser such as ourselves. So in Ads Manager, it is generally recommended that you do run your ads from here. You can do it on the front end of Facebook. I will show you at a later stage, but it's generally the best rule of thumb to run all your ads and create all your ads within Ads Manager within the back end of Facebook, well, of Meta, as I should say now. So yeah, let's just run through the first initial basics of the program Ads Manager within Meta. So as we're loading into a new account here, we have three different sort of tabs. We've got campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So think of this as a simple hierarchy, with campaigns being at the top, then to ad sets, and then to ads at the very bottom. So the best way to illustrate this would be like this. So we've got campaign at the very top of the hierarchy, where we basically define the campaign objective. This is important because Facebook and Meta will try its best, okay, to meet and deliver the ad we tell it to, the lower down in the hierarchy here, to best achieve this objective, whether it be sales, whether it be leads, whether it be awareness. It's going to optimize its ad sets and ads in order to best achieve this objective. So setting the correct objective is really, really important, and you'll see why at a later stage. But to put it in short, okay, the campaign is the highest level of Facebook advertising hierarchy, as mentioned now, and represents the marketing goal. Okay, for example, increase brand awareness, website traffic, or generate leads. The ad groups are subsets, okay, of campaigns and act as containers for ad groups. Within an ad group or ad set, as it's seen here, you define specific targeting criteria, okay, such as location, demographics, interests, and behaviors that determine who sees the ad. So, what this means is that, for example, if we wanted to specifically target individuals who fall into a certain demographic or fall into a particular group of people who have a certain interest, then we could do so within the ad set, not at the campaign level, but in the ad set. Okay, so this is particularly useful for segmenting your audience and testing different audiences against each other. So we, for example, in this ad set over here, ad set number 1, let's call it, and ad set number 2. In ad set 1, we could target people within the age range of 18 to 20 who are interested in X. And ad set 2, we could target people within the age range of 20 to 22 who are interested in X as well. Now, if ad set 1 performs better than ad set 2, we know that the age range 18 to 20 is more suited towards our particular target audience, and our ads deliver better to those people than they do to ad set number 2. This is taking into consideration that all our ads are the same. So one variable against another. That's extremely important, and we'll explain why later down the stage. Jumping down to the ad, this are the actual creative content you see on Facebook. This includes images, videos, text, headlines, call to action buttons. A call to action button is a simple short piece of text that is basically calling the consumer to act, whether it be shop now, comma, or learn more, or click here, for example. So it's just a specific short line of text that is basically calling the consumer to action. But yeah, it contains the call to action buttons and other elements that grab your audience's attention. You can create multiple ads within an ad set, as we can see here. And each has its own creative variation, and all use the same targeting settings. By testing different variations, you can also optimize your campaigns and determine which ads resonate with your target audience. So, in summary, a campaign represents your overall marketing objective. Okay, an ad set groups ads with similar targeting criteria. Okay, and an ad represents the creative content your users see. By effectively configuring campaigns, ad sets, and ads, you can better manage your ad budget, control targeting, and as well as optimize ad performance. Okay, so campaigns at the top, ad sets second level, and then the ads are the lowest level within the hierarchy. Okay. In the next series, we'll be just jumping into creating our first campaign and explaining to you exactly how each of these campaign levels, levels impact one another. Also, if you just have any comments in regards to starting with Facebook Ads Manager, just please be sure to leave a comment. We'll definitely get to it. And please subscribe if you are interested in any sort of digital marketing content, as this is only the beginning and we are just getting started. So yeah, let's get into it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.